Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Z Talks, and hope you all are keeping well by God's grace. I am also keeping well. Okay, so today, my topic. Before that, I would like to ask you a question. How did you learn your mother tongue? Anybody taught you? So, it's a wonderful question actually. How a child learns its mother tongue. Yes, we know. It learns through listening. When it starts speaking, before that, it starts concentrating on the sounds produced around. So, it listens more and more. And slowly it start producing some sounds, and we are so happy to hear first time a child try to make sounds even. Okay, we encourage them. How it learns? Anybody taught grammar? Anybody taught the structure of the language? Nothing happened. First it imitates the sounds, and then gradually it picks up. Maybe because the mother tongue is in its own blood. Okay, so today actually I would like to discuss you about the importance of listening the language. I get some requests from some of my students. They request me to take classes, put videos, post videos in the mother tongue so that they may understand easily. Of course, I agree. In my initial videos, most of them were taken in mother tongue. I was speaking in mother tongue. So actually, my intention was just to start with mother tongue so that everybody can digest better first, and slowly changing to English. So that student was asking me, ma'am, what's wrong in continuing mother tongue? So this is where the importance of listening comes. When you listen a language again and again, your brain gets a message. If you are listening your mother tongue only again and again, your brain is not getting any new message at all. It sleeps like it's in the usual format itself. It got nothing to do. It got no job to do at all. It rests. But when you listen a new language, your brain starts working, thinking, and it gets a message that my master started doing something different. He or she wants my assistance in understanding a new language. So it's my duty. I'm just personifying or manifesting the brain only to give you a hint that when you learn a language, when you listen a language, if you want to learn a language, you should listen the language. Then only your brain also will reciprocate to that, and brain also will help you in the process of learning a new language. So never think listening your mother tongue and later on just adopting the techniques and learn the language like you were learning textbooks while you were in schools. Learning language is entirely different from textbook kind of practices. When you were in schools, you used to attend classes in mother tongue also, and later on you do a lot of homework and you present it, and it goes on like that. That's why even we learned English in our classrooms, many of us are not able to speak the language yet because of this lack of listening. So now you follow the language, like listen everything in the language. Never think I can listen a language, I can listen in my mother tongue and I can learn a foreign language. It won't take place, it won't happen. If you want to learn the language, you should listen the language. So listening is very important, and listen English maximum. Okay, and train your brain. It's a drill for your brain. Bye bye, take care, good night.